Let me guess. You've got more month than money, and your wallet's starting to feel like a glorified receipt holder. You're not alone. In fact, most people you know are broke, but pretending on Instagram that they're thriving. But what if I told you could save your first $1,000, starting today, even if your paycheck is barely hanging on? Yeah, you heard that right. No trust fund, no magic trick, no six-figure job needed. Just strategy, guts, and a mindset shift that'll change the way you look at money forever. First, before you save a penny, you need to track every dollar, where it's coming from, where it's running off to. Because if you don't know where your money's going, you might as well be pouring water into a bucket with holes. Second, cut out the spending fat, not what you love, but what you barely remember buying. Those daily $7 lattes, you won't miss them as much as you'll love that 4-digit savings balance. Third, make saving stupidly easy. Set up automatic transfers out of sight into your future. It's like planting a tree. The best day was yesterday. The second best is today, so plant it already. And fourth, make more money. No, you don't need to launch the next Uber. Just pick up a side gig, flip stuff, sell a skill. Remember, $10 here, $20 there. Those are bricks. And brick by brick, we build that first $1,000. You've stacked your first $1,000. You've got momentum. Now, you protect it like it's your baby. You don't blow it on hype drops or random cravings. You respect it. You let it multiply. Because once you've done the impossible, you realize it was never impossible, just unfamiliar. And if you can save your first 1,000, you can save your first 10. So what happens when you save your first 100,000? What happens when your money works harder than you do? If you felt this, like really felt it, then hit that subscribe button. This is just the beginning.